Hi. Now with this lockdown, and we are at home, and in fact what I found is that we are using more of our electronic gadgets than we've ever used, and we are always on the phone, and it's all of us. We are just on the phone the whole time, and that's a lot of blue light that comes to our eyes, and really it helps. It is not very good for us. So, and also it's not very good for the eyes and the dark circles under the eyes, which definitely, and also that. So there are few things that I would like to, of course, using the eye gel, and I'm going to give you a cucumber, mix them both together, how to use it. But before that, I'd like to just give you a little exercise of what to do regularly so that you can help your eyes, and that is in fact every 20 minutes. But I know we cannot do this every 20 minutes. So whenever we think of it, once in an hour, or we can do it once in 2 hours, whenever we think, just do this. Rub your hands together like this and just cup your eyes and just relax. Close your eyes and relax. Now do this, like you can do this say for 10 minutes or 5 minutes, or even if you don't have time, just 3 or 4 times you can just do this. Count till about, what I normally do is I do this and count till 100 quite slowly, and then I take it off. And this again is really going to help to rest your eyes. The next thing that I recommend really at this time, since we are always on it, is you must use an eye gel. Now when you use an eye gel, you're going to take a little eye gel, okay, on your fingertips like this. Not too much, you don't need too much of eye gel. And then you're going to just rub it together like this, okay? And then we are going to massage starting from the outer corner inside and like this. It should go like this. Never do your eye gel like this, because even if we are in a hurry, I see so many doing it like that. You're going to stretch this area of your skin, and this area of your skin is very, very delicate. So just do it like this, okay? Now this helps a great deal. And now for a pack to rest your eyes, which you definitely have to rest your eyes at least once a day. Apply eye gel generously around your eye completely, and then take a cucumber, slice it and apply it onto your eyelids like this, okay? Now, and relax. Wow, it feels so good even now, so beautiful and cool. And leave it like this for about say 20 minutes, and then take it off. This is wonderful therapy for your eyes. You're going to find no little lines, and it's going to help the puffiness, and it's going to help your dark circles.